In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Kit variables. Kit variables, also called personalization tags, let you insert subscriber details into your email content automatically. This helps your emails feel more personal without you needing to type different versions for different people. You can add things like a subscriber's first name or other saved information, and you can also set a default value so the email still reads smoothly when that detail is missing. To begin, go to the Send area in Kit. From there, choose either broadcasts or sequences, depending on the type of email you are working on. Open the specific email you want to edit so you are looking at the email editor. Next, decide where you want the variable to appear. If you want to insert it at a specific spot, click the plus icon at the beginning of the line where the text should go. If you want to replace existing words, highlight the text you want to swap out with a personalization tag. Both methods work, so use the one that fits your situation. Once you have your insertion point or highlighted text ready, open the menu and select Personalization. This will show you the available tags you can insert into your email. Now choose the tag you want. A common choice is the subscriber's first name, especially near the greeting. Another option is the subscriber's email, which is sometimes useful for account-related messages. When you click the tag, Kit will insert a short piece of code into your email content. After the code appears, set your default text inside the code. This default is what Kit will use when the subscriber information is not available. For example, if a first name is missing, your default could be something neutral that still sounds natural in the sentence. Take a moment to read the line out loud with the default included, so it flows well in every case. When you are done, review the surrounding sentence for spacing and punctuation, so the email reads cleanly. At this point, your variable is set up and ready to personalize your message automatically. That covers everything you need to know.